Hello everyone, this is Akanksha and welcome back to our new podcast product series episode. In this podcast series, we discuss real construction problems and practical solutions. Today, we are going to talk about a very unique green construction product called Micronsil 30C, also known as Improved Plaster Stand Life. To explain this product in detail, we have Mr. Vipul Chowda with us today. Welcome Vipul sir.
Thank you, Akanksha. I want to tell you that the product we're discussing today, Micronsil 30C, is one of our most successful products. We've used it for more than 10 years across states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Kerala, Goa, MP, and Andhra Pradesh in different weather conditions. In fact, nearly 60% of our total sales come from Micronsil 30C, which itself shows how trusted and effective it is.
Wow, that's impressive. Tell us more about Micronsil 30C.
Sure. Micronsil 30C is a cement admixture and partial cement replacement. You can call it a green product because it reduces cement consumption and carbon dioxide emissions.
So it means Micronsil 30C replaces cement in plaster?
Yes. Normally, for plastering, if you use 2 bags of cement with Micronsil 30C, you can use 1 bag of cement and 1 bag of Micronsil 30C mixed with about 400 kilograms of sand. This means 50% cement replacement, directly cutting CO2 emissions by 50%. That's why it's a natural mineral-based green product. After application, the plaster surface looks very smooth, almost like a laminated finish with excellent strength and coverage.
That sounds impressive. What about warranty?
The company provides a 5-year written warranty for the plaster, but there is one condition. Micronsil 30C must be used on both internal and external walls, and the entire project should be completed using this product. Partial application cannot be covered under warranty.
Can you brief the benefits of Micronsil 30C?
Yes, sure. One of the biggest benefits is self-curing. Normally, plaster curing is required for 7 to 8 days as per IS standards, but on sites, curing is sometimes missed due to labor or weather issues. Even if 1 to 2 days of curing are missed, Micronsil 30C manages it because it absorbs and retains water, releasing it internally as needed. Another major benefit is thermal insulation. Rooms plastered with Micronsil 30C can experience a temperature reduction of up to 3-4 degrees Celsius. This means your AC can run at 27 to 28 degrees instead of 23 to 24, reducing electricity consumption for the building's entire life.
What about dampness and salt problems, which are very common?
Micronsil 30C creates moisture-free plaster. It prevents rising dampness, salt formation, and efflorescence even when water quality is poor or TDS is high. Technically, when cement reacts with water, it produces calcium hydroxide, which is harmful to plaster life. Micronsil 30C converts this calcium hydroxide into calcium silicate hydrate CSH gel, which is the main strength-giving compound. Because of this, lab tests show 4 times higher strength from around 7 megapascals to 22-28 megapascals. Another major benefit is 99% crack reduction. Due to its microsilica structure, it fills pores perfectly and avoids shrinkage cracks. Cement wastage due to rebound is usually 8 to 10%, especially in plastering. With Micronsil 30C, rebound is almost zero, saving huge material cost on large projects. For terrace application, Micronsil 30C can replace brick coba work. This reduces dead load, steel requirement, and gives waterproofing plus thermal protection all in one layer.
Sir, could you briefly explain application ratios?
Sure. For brick and block walls, use 15 kilograms, Micronsil 30C plus 15 kilograms, cement plus 400 kilograms sand. For RCC surfaces like beams and columns, use 7.5 kilograms, Micronsil 30C plus 50 kilograms cement plus 200 kilograms sand. Coverage improves to 140 to 150 square feet per cement bag compared to 130 square feet with only cement.
Where can viewers purchase Micronsil 30C?
It's available across our distributor network and on our website 20mcc.in. You can also call our toll-free number 1800-233-2735. Micronsil 30C is a green, cost-effective, long-life protection solution. When people invest crores in building a house, using the right product is essential for lifetime safety.
Thank you so much, Vipul sir, for this valuable explanation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode with your next construction problem and our solution.